If you 2019 and newer Silverado owners are like me and are constantly searching for a solid organizer solution for your center console, well, search no more, guys, because this is it. This made in the USA center console organizer kit is going to be a two-pronged approach to drastically improving the organization possibilities in your rig, all for right around 40 to 50 bucks. So as someone who is admittedly a bit OCD, I really value keeping things neat and organized in my personal truck at home. And up until recently, I had tried all of the generic fixes to organize my console, random Tupperware containers, boxes, you name it, but nothing was ever really perfect. And now, well, thanks to kits like this, we do have a solid option that's very affordable and that is built specifically to our center consoles. But let's start with the upper portion first. Now, this tray is designed to live in the upper portion of your center console on all bucket seat equipped Silverado 1500s. Now you'll notice a nice durable ABS plastic build with 5 individual compartments, 2 of which are going to be perfect for pens, pencils, or smaller item storage. The other 3 compartments, as you can see, are a little bit larger and do feature a rubberized bottom to help prevent things from sliding around on you. But as I mentioned earlier, this is a two-pronged or two-headed approach to organization. So not only are you receiving the tray for the top portion of your console, but you're also receiving these dividers to fit in the bottom portion of your console to give you a bunch more storage or organization. Now, these dividers have also been made from that same durable automotive grade ABS plastic, and the entire kit here has been made in the USA and is backed by a limited warranty in case you run into any issues. But now we want to quickly segue into the install portion of the video, and I say quickly because that's exactly what you can expect with this 1 out of 3 wrench job and no more than a few minutes of your time. But now, here's an American Trucks customer to walk you through the job.
Okay, I got my package from AmericanTrucks.com. It is a center console organizer from my 2021 GMC Sierra 1500. So we're gonna get it out of the box. I'll show you the pieces and we'll get it installed. Okay, I got all the pieces out of the box, got them laid out on the table. So we're gonna talk about each of the pieces and then we'll get started with the installation. First to note is no tools are required for this project. So now for the pieces. So this is the top center console organizer. It has depressions on each side for ledges that are built into the console and it just sits in there. So that's pretty easy to take care of. If you want to come in a little closer, we'll talk about these pieces here. This will be your center console divider. It has slits in the top that are actually grooved. You'll have to come in really close here and you can see that these are done specifically. They have little V's that go in here and these 2 are in different directions than these 3. So we'll explain why that is. For your divider pieces, these are designed with cutouts specifically for each of the slits that I just talked about. So this is going to be the top of your center console here, and we're going to slide these in just like this, and it pops in and your divider is done. So you can use these, you can use 1, you can use 2, you can use all 5, whatever you choose to do, and your divider will be how you want. So now we'll go ahead and I'll get all these taken care of and then we'll get in the truck and show you how it goes in. So we got all of our dividers put in here. For the purposes of this video, I'm using all 5 dividers. It is important to note that because of the way that the console is designed, that if we use all 5 dividers, the 2 pieces need to go in the back so that they split, which you'll see here in a second when I install this. So what we're going to do is take and spread these back 2 out just a little bit. We'll drop this in here, slide it in, and if you come in there you can see how it's installed. And then we talk about the top center console piece. We talked about the depressions earlier. You can see here the ledges that are built in to the console itself. So all we're going to do is take this and just set it in top and it's secure and it won't move. And so that's the install on a 2021 GMC center console from AmericanTrucks.com.
But wrapping things up here, guys, again, if you're looking for a simple and affordable way to help keep things a bit cleaner in the interior of your Silverado, be sure to consider the center console organizer kit right here at AmericanTrucks.com.